Hello my dear student, welcome to KK Chauhan Vision. Our topic is running sound and today we are going to discuss about part 3. Before we have done two topics, part 1 and part 2. Let's start part 3. Today we will discuss some definitions and numericals. Let's start. First, what are wavelength, frequency and time period and amplitude of a sound wave? The wavelength, the distance between two consecutive compression or two consecutive rarefaction is called wavelength. It is denoted by a Greek alphabet lambda. Lambda is okay. Lambda is a reverse Y-like structure. We write Y in this way, and lambda is a reverse Y-like sign. Okay. Next video है frequency. The number of complete oscillation per unit second is called frequency, and frequency is denoted or represented by a nu. This is a sign just like V for violin, but we write nu. The frequency of velocity is in this way. Okay. Third definition is time period. The time taken by the wave for one complete oscillation is called time period, and time period represented by capital T. Amplitude, the magnitude of maximum disturbance in the medium on either side of the mean value is called amplitude. This position is a mean position. The maximum distance from the mean position of a pendulum represent the amplitude. Now we will solve few numerical. Before numerical, we will discuss about the formula. How are the wavelength and frequency of a sound wave related to its speed or velocity? Okay. We know the velocity is equal to the product of wavelength and frequency. Velocity is equal to the product of wavelength and frequency, and we know wavelength velocity V and wavelength lambda and frequency nu. Okay, this is the formula for the relationship between velocity, wavelength and frequency. Okay. Next, calculate the wavelength of a sound wave whose frequency is 220 Hz and speed is 440 meter per second in a given medium. What did we calculate? We have to calculate the wavelength of a sound wave, and we here frequency is given and speed of the sound wave is also given here. Frequency of the wave is 220 Hz and velocity of the sound wave is 440 meter per second, and we have to calculate the wavelength, and we know the formula. Just we have done ओके, हमें ये पता है वेलोसिटी, वी नो द वेलोसिटी and we know the frequency and we have to calculate the lambda and we put the value. This is 440 and this value is 220 and we will find the value of lambda by dividing 220 by 440 and the answer will 2 meter. Okay, the wavelength, the unit of wavelength is meter. Okay, next, a person is listening to a ton of 500 hertz sitting at a distance of 450 meter from the source of sound. What is the time interval between successive compression from the source? We have frequency 500 hertz and we have to calculate the time period. Okay, the formula for time period is 1 over we know the nu is equal to 1 over t and we from this we easily calculate the formula t is equal to 1 over v. We put the value of frequency and when we divide 1 by 500 we find the answer 2. Okay, 0.002. This is the answer. I think this is a very easy numerical, है ना? Yes. And how did you like today's topic? It was easy or tough? I think it was easy topic. Write me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.